We were playing Monkey's Place by Gandalf. And we're just gonna like do some horror stuff. I'm not gonna ask for a moderator. I mean, I hope I'll be a moderator, but I'm not gonna ask. Code P. Pop. Hey guys, so I need to take this. As I was saying, today we're going to be playing some Monkey's Place by Gandalf. You couldn't hear me. I might have quit this, to be honest. Actually, yeah. Wait, hold up. Stop. No, get me out. Oh. I don't think I'm actually gonna have this one disabled. Beanie needs the 1826. So I wish I didn't, because I watched FLX's vid. I'm subscribed to FLX. I think that's what his name is. Let's see. Yes, FLX. Monkey monk. I'm gonna do this in a private lobby because I tried to make a video like 21 minutes ago, and like people were saying, like this one person was saying to a 9-year-old at 29 being the pesticide, I think. Whatever. Yeah, whatever that is. Yeah. So, I'm just telling y'all that. And one more hint, I'm gonna tell y'all. Never look behind you. Never look behind you. He'll go faster. At least I think he'll go faster if you look behind. Never mind. I'm not gonna do that anymore. I guess I might go into a public now. Hello. Now that's just horrifying. So I don't even know why he said Dash was such a Hey guys, who wants to be horror with me? Who would like to be horror with me? Who would like to be horror with me? You wanna be horror with me? You wanna?
Bro, have be moderator. Bro. What the heck? Bro, I gotta get the chair. I gotta get the chair right
I'm a
now.
moderator banana.
I gotta get the chair.
See how this money is so small.
a
I'm gonna
moderator.
make it big.
Dabra. Hey guys.
Wow, so
Hey guys, I'm the owner. I'm the owner. I can fly.
Yeah,
Wait,
bro, I have that
I
thing
can
too.
report you for that. I can report you for that. They say you can't.
Hey, you don't have. You can report them. You report them, and I'm making a
the
video
owner.
sending this to Gandalf
the
right
owner.
now.
I'm the owner.
Hey, I'm sending the
How
video.
are
I'm
you
sending
owner?
this video to
Wait, what?
Gandalf.
Okay,
You know
fine.
that, right?
I have the
can
money
fly.
banana. What are you talking about?
Alright.
It's moderator. I have
No, it
the-
isn't. Shoot me with it. Shoot me. I have it. I have it as well. Here, I'll go get it.
I can go get money too. Why you this?
That is the moderator.
Me and you are moderators.
Cracks. It's not that then. It literally says on a normal person's screen when bought banana
Me and you have
5,000 or more. You
Moderator.
guys. This
See?
guy's
Hey,
fake.
guys.
Can somebody tell me how to go to
Oh, they say that. If you want to go,
I can.
know how to go to Nico's inbox lobby.
Yeah, how do you do it? What is that? Shoot me. Hey, shoot me, bro. Shoot me. Somebody.
You know this is actually
me
just
how to go to
Gandalf.
Nico's
Look,
next
owner.
It's no shoot. You can't shoot the banana.
But can you shoot me?
If you want to know.
Can somebody tell me how to
You can't shoot it.
You.
Yeah, that's what I meant. You're a faker. You're not a moderator. Y'all are just pretending. I'm sending this video to Gandalf.
It's under here. This is Nico's.
No, he's
different color now.
pretending to be moderator.
Yeah.
Not me.
Yeah,
guys.
but you, on the other hand,
Y'all wanna be horrible
you
with
right
me?
here
Y'all wanna
are
be-
pretending to be the owner. What the fuck?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
I'm not.
I'm
Yes, you
literally
are. You
J-Man
said,
Curry.
"Hey guys, I'm the
I got
owner of this
see.
game." Blah blah blah.
Under here. Why?
You're not Gandalf though. Aim
Under
how-
here.
oh, never mind.
I'm not saying I'm
You
Gandalf.
want to go to Nico's next?
Green is.
You didn't say you're the owner.
What did you?
I didn't say I'm the owner. I said Green
Don't
said
get
he's
in.
the
Don't
owner.
come in here. Don't come in here, okay?
You're such
I'm telling
a
you to not come in here
bro.
for
You
your own
can't-
safety.
You can't rely.
It's for your own safety.
Green behind you.
Go, go, go.
I'm sending this video to Gandalf. You know.
No.
Do it.
Yes, I am.
You have
Send that video because he's
No, there's no point. Wait,
Bro,
what's
I
his
am
name?
making a
What's his
video,
name?
you idiot.
What's his name?
You can get
What's his
paid.
Oh
name?
no, I'm on YouTube.
Wait, is his name Gandalf?
Yes.
Is his name Gandalf?
My name is not
No,
Gandalf. His
no,
name is
I'm on
Banana, and he's saying he's the owner of the game. He doesn't even have the owner tag.
How much clicks do you have?
I'm sorry.
How many do you?
Don't do that again.
What the hell?
You have orange. I have orange.
I mean, you want to hear how many clicks I have? I have 1,181. What the? It's sus.
Clicking. Keep clicking.
This is the easier way to click.
What the?
Oh.
Yeah,
I'll
we're
have
just gonna
600
blur
this
that.
one doing that.
I'm not gonna go. No,
600
I'm tired.
I'm gonna go over
I'm
here.
going to the grapple
Hey,
hook
wait,
area.
wait,
I'm
wait,
going
wait,
to the grapple
right,
hook
hey,
area.
does
Moderator
anyone wanna
banana.
I
say
call
hi?
grapple hook.
Anyone want to
You
say
have
hi?
trust
I call
area
grapple
too.
hook.
I call grapple hook area.
You might not be able to see, but I have a very nice fresh car right here. Wait. Oh no!
Knockback flight? What do you mean knockback flight?
I have it too.
Yeah. Me.
Yo, bro, you're not using flight. It's called a glitch. It's just a glitch. It's a glitch. Gandalf hasn't fixed it.
What glitch?
Anyone never will.
The car monk glitch.
Okay, no man.
Nah, that's not the camera.
Yeah, sure.
I love
That's
that
the
glitch.
what's it called? The wait, what's it called? The zip
It's
line.
called
Where am I?
car
Oh,
monkey
God.
glitch.
No, it's called the zip line.
Trust a user.
Yeah, just because you're a trusted user doesn't mean you're a moderator.
Go to the lobby if you're a trusted user. You just said that you just got trusted user.
Hey, are you a trusted
11
user?
minutes till I get trusted user.
You a trusted user?
I am. Go.
How trusted you are?
Go in then.
How do I turn small?
Escape the Matrix.
How do I turn small?
Okay, where the hell am I? Oh
Yo, bro,
you turn
could
small.
you fly? Could you fly in forest? Could you fly in forest real quick?
Oh my. Oh shit.
To get small, you need a high skill.
Glass.
Yo, bro, I just caught you in 4K. I'm sending this video to Gandalf.
Oh no,
Bro, you already told us that many times.
I
Yo,
broke
bro,
the
but
glass.
everyone
I feel
is
like
not
you're
obeying the rules. It literally says no glitches.
That's what I'm saying.
So shut the fuck up.
That's not a
You,
glitch.
car monkey
That's
is a
very
glitch.
disappointing.
It's a zip line.
word.
Zip line. Yeah, screw
I
it. I'm
wanna
done
see
with the
something.
video.